shit. I'm out of beer, babe. You want to run in the house and get me another one, please?
No, there is no more.
Oh, shit. You want to run down the store and get me another dozen?
No, you used all the money on car parts and guns.
So we're broke. There's no money for beer.
Nope, you used it on car parts and guns.
Oh, shit. What else you have?
Well, I got some fixings for a slushy.
Well, why don't you get that?
Okay.
And we'll get out the blender and we'll make up a slushy.
How are we going to do a blender when there's no electricity?
Why is there no electricity?
You spent the money on car parts and guns.
Oh, shit. Well, I tell you what. You go get the fixings, and I might have us covered on this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Get up and go get fixings.
Well, here's the fixings for the slushy. Now
Okay.
what are you going to do?
I got this. Okay? Just give me a second.
No.
Here you go. Put the fixings in here, please.
Okay.
Some vodka. Thumbs up. A little bit more. Come on, don't be chintzy. There you go. That's good. Some Sprite.
Oh, I made a mess.
Oh, well. That could be cleaned up.
Yep.
Hurry up. I'm dying of thirst over here. Well, that looks like it could be pretty good. All right, that should be good.
Now, how do you propose we're going to do this when we have no electricity?
I got this, babe. Trust me.
Okay.
Let's get this lid to seal.
Smarter than the lid.
I know, tell me about it. I'd hate to make a mess. Okay, there we go. The lid's sealed.
Okay, now prove me how you're going to do this without any electricity.
Okay, I'll show you. I got just the thing. Ta-da!
What is that?
That's my latest and greatest. Check this out.
Was a good idea.
See? I told you I got me covered, babe. Get some glasses, and it's relax time now.
All right.
Pop that sucker off.
Serve it up.
Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Baby.
You first.
We got this. Oh, that's good. Nice and strong, just the way I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're all set.
Mm-hmm.
As long as Glenn leaves his gas cap unlocked on his truck every night, we got gas, we got booze, we're good to go. Right on.